Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Subaru Impreza's oil. First, gather your supplies. A new oil filter, 4 to 5 quarts of the correct engine oil, a drain pan, a wrench, and a funnel. Make sure your car is on a level surface and the engine has run for a few minutes to warm the oil, making it flow more easily. Safety first, so consider wearing gloves and eye protection. Now let's drain the old oil. Position your drain pan under the oil pan. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the drain plug and replace its gasket if needed, then reinsert and tighten it firmly. Next, we'll tackle the oil filter. Move your drain pan under the filter's location. Unscrew the old filter. Some residual oil will likely spill out. Before installing the new filter, apply a small amount of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about 3/4 of a turn more with your hand. Finally, it's time for the fresh oil. Using a funnel, pour about 4.5 to 5 quarts of the correct engine oil into the filler cap. Replace the cap, start the engine, and let it run for a minute or two. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick. Add more oil if necessary. Remember to properly recycle your old engine oil.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.